I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Taken brand, their 9-volt, 1100 milliamp hour capacity lithium-ion rechargeable battery. You can see it's a 2-pack. Has a USB A to C dual cable charger right here, A to 2 C's to save you time. On the battery itself, it has USB-C connection right there. We're going to show you how to charge it. These are excellent batteries, and what's excellent about 9-volt batteries, they're chargeable, is that you don't keep replacing your alkaline batteries. 1100 milliamp hours is a very substantial amount of current. Your typical alkaline battery produces about 800 milliamp hours, if that. So you're getting a lot of capacity, and you could charge this over 2,000 times. So here I have a USB-A port. I'm going to plug that in right here, and we're going to charge each one of these batteries, and we're going to measure the actual voltage on them once they've charged. So you can see right there's a little tiny red indicator, and that's going to turn off when the batteries are fully charged on both of those. So let's let these charge, and then we'll do some tests on them. And while they're charging, I want to tell you a little more. This product gets excellent customer ratings. Customers just really love this Taken brand. And it comes with a very good 18-month warranty, which is excellent. Okay, so they finished charging. I have a voltmeter, and let's just take a look at the voltage on here. So you see it's 9.2 volts. That's really good, because a lot of times these rechargeable 9-volt batteries are 8, 8.2, 8.3. This way it's high up so that your smoke alarms and smoke detectors are going to work flawlessly. You're not going to get a beep, a low battery beep for a long time. Really impressed with that. So after testing, what do you think about the Taken brand? They're 9-volt, 1100 milliamp hour lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, the 2-pack, with an included USB A to C dual charger cable. As I demonstrated, these work really great. They charge easily, and they have 1100 milliamp hours and 9.2 volts, which is excellent for a 9-volt battery. Really impressed with the quality of these. I can see why it gets excellent ratings. So I'm going to give this an excellent rating also. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.